How to share Google Gemini chats. First, open the Gemini application. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Open the chat that you want to share. If it is not open, tap on the two lines. Scroll down in order to see the section for recents. Tap on the chat of your choice. Tap on the three dots that you can see at the top. Now tap on the option Share Conversation. Now a public link is being created. Now the link has been created. Tap on the option Copy that you can see on the screen. Now the link has been copied. Go to your preferred platform. I am going to open Messenger over here. Tap on the chat of your choice. Tap on the message bar that you can see at the bottom. Paste the link from the clipboard. Tap on the send icon. Now the link has been shared. Recipient can simply tap on the link. Now the Gemini conversation will be opened. Like this, you'll be able to share Gemini chats. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.